Publisher Street for Just Nailed It, and it is Mask Monday. It's also the time to draw our winner for June's beauty giveaway. For our mask, we are doing a warming mask. It is a lavender scented warming eye mask, which means I'm going to look like Batman's sister. Which that's cool. We'll do it. We'll do it. It's up to 20 minutes. You can do it at your own I'm confused. It takes something off. Oh, you put it. Oh, aww. Oh, you put it around your ears. Oh, how am I supposed to do anything? That's not fair. I'm gonna be blinded for up to 20 minutes. So, oh, this isn't what I anticipated. It is warming, so it's supposed to warm up the longer I wear it. You know, it's up to 20 minutes. Oh, I can feel it warming up. Oh, I do. And it's supposed to have some kind of design here on the eyes, which I guess you can see and I cannot, because I can't see it and you can. But I look like a rambling fool, I suppose, because I have a mask on and I can't see. This is not what I thought this was. I thought this was, you know what I thought it was, right? Right, not this, which is something you could just lay down, and this is not what I thought. This is a dry cloth, and this is not what I should be doing. I can't wear this. I can't do this, unfortunately. This is so good. I have lenses implanted in my eyes. I'm not sure I should be doing something like this, because I don't want them to melt my eyes, so to speak. I mean, it's not going to get hot, I'm sure. This is lavender scented. Oh, that is so cute. Aww. I don't smell any scent. I don't. Aww. I should have gave this away. So horny. Now I know if I come across this again, I'll get one and I'll give it away. I can't wear this though with having the lenses in my eyes. When I had cataract removal surgery and glaucoma surgery, 2 separate surgeries, I have lenses implanted in my eyes. Anybody that's had that, your grandmothers, your aunts, you may have had that done. Shit, this is not what I thought. I don't smell anything. For a second I thought I smelled popcorn, but no, I don't smell anything, and this is not what I thought it was. I thought it was like, you know, a gel, maybe something, warming. It would warm up the longer you wore it. Oh, I'm bummed. So, truth be told, I'm filming this a day or two early, day and a half early. I'm sorry. I know I'm doing the giveaway and I'm closing it early. Because have you seen my posts on Instagram, my original Facebook with me and my sister's picture. My mom's in the hospital. So, that is why I'm filming this early. That's why I closed the giveaway early, because Monday I'm not probably going to be around to film this. So we're just going to do the giveaway. I don't want to get into it. She's got severe lymphedema. They're going to be doing, should put that in the trash yet. And I should be on the couch. Anyways, she's got severe lymphedema. They're going to be doing a echo ultrasound on her legs, heart, and throat. Throat? I think it's what the doctor told me, her throat. He had to call me. I missed him being there. I was too late. So he called me because I requested here. I want to know what's going on. I want to be in the loop. I couldn't understand everything he was saying. So I missed part of the gist of what was going on, unfortunately. So I'm hoping I'm not going to be Sunday. I'm going to be in church partly, so I don't know if he's even going to be around. I don't know. Monday I'm hoping to be there super early. I'm going to miss physical therapy, so I'm going to have to reschedule that for another day. I want to be there super early so I can see the main doctor. I want to see what's really going on in here. Hopefully her heart doctor will be there. I want to hear from her heart doctor. Excuse me. I want to hear from her heart doctor. I got a little piece of a jagged nail. What he says, because her knee, she is swollen badly. From right above her knees down, her feet are so swollen, like twice the size at least. She is holding, I would say 30 pounds of water. At least. 30 pounds, 20 to 30 pounds of water, closer to 30. That's dangerous. I'm trying to hold myself together. I really am. That's why I'm fidgeting, doing this, that, the other. But I'm not putting my mask on in case I do start crying. So she's holding 20 to 30 pounds of water. They're going to do the ultrasound. Trying to remember everything. She said they're going to try and hook her up, I don't know when, to drain some of the water. I think they could hook her up to an IV, she says. This is said between her and I the other day. If she thinks that they can hook her up to an IV and drain the water, I don't know about that. I'm not sure. She made me leave the hospital today because she goes, she's just trying to sleep because they started poking her at 4 a.m. She made me leave the hospital around 3:30 because she was sleeping. I was sleeping in the chair. So I'm home, as you can see. She's doing okay, but they almost called code on her last night when I was coming out of the bathroom. They were going to shove me out of the room, call code, but her blood pressure came back up. God had her, and she's doing fine. God's got her. I know he does, and she's going to be alright. She is my angel. Girly Nail 66 got a tattoo that says that about her mom. And when I seen that, I sat here. She posted a picture on Instagram, and I sat here bawling my eyes out for a good 20 minutes. Because my mom's my best friend. She's her and my son, they're my everything. And, I want that tattoo so badly. Probably more than any tattoo I've got on my body, and I have a lot. I have a lot of tattoos, and a lot of them are small. My biggest one is this one. That's my biggest one. It took 12 hours. I mean, it didn't have to, but it did. And, I want that so badly. I don't think it's right to get a tattoo that you know that someone else has, so that's what's stopping me. I would like to ask her, hey, do you mind? But I can't. I can't steal another person's tattoo, so to speak. But my mom is my only thing. So if you could, say a prayer from your lips as yours. Please. So we're just going to do the giveaway now. This is for 3 beauty masks for the month of June. Hold on a second, please. Oh. For a honey mask. A mineral clay mask by Pond's, and a glitter peel-off face mask. I think this one would be cool. I won't do a peel-off though. So, and I'm gonna do. I would like to do, as long as I'm doing my videos don't do very well on the mask, Monday mask, but I think they're kind of fun, so I'm doing them. As long as I have these honey masks, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So we'll go on for a couple months. So let's do the giveaway. This is open to anybody worldwide. I didn't have too many entries this time, but we had a few. So let me close my eyes, dip right in. Let me see who our lucky winner is. Jenny Rotella. You, honey, are my lucky winner. She has been very active on my channel lately, and I am grateful, and I'm very grateful for that, and I thank her. I'm grateful for her being a active subscriber to my channel. Thank you, Jenna. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Congratulations for being the winner. Honey, I know you're going to watch this because you have been, like I said, very active on my channel lately, and I'm grateful for that. So leave me a DM, or wait, first, comment down below. Claim your prize, sweetheart. And then leave me a DM on Instagram with your address. Comment down below, claim your prize. Say, I'm here, I won. And shoot me a DM or an email, one of the two, with your address so I can send this to you. And it'll be coming, well, doesn't matter how I send it to you, but just leave me your address. Congratulations. 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 Jenna Rotella. She is my June winner. I'm not going to give her X amount of days to claim because she does watch my videos. She is active on my channel. I know she is subscribed to my channel. She is active. She is active. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for all my active subscribers. So, congratulate her in the comments down below. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe to the channel. Please click on the bell so that you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything important that may come across my desk. Have a blessed day and thank you.